Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about how do you make adjustment between the subject property and the comparable property. To me, this was one of the easiest question, and these type of question always been my favorite because they're so easy to figure out what to do. Okay, so now let me show you what you really need to do. Let's read the question. You have a partially complete appraisal report that you need to fill in. The subject property has a 4 bedroom and 5 bathroom. The house next door is a similar in all respects except for the number of bedrooms and bathroom. It sold for 321 and has a 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom. If the market value of a bedroom is 3200 and the market value for the bathroom is 5700, this comparable will have to be adjusted for bedroom and bathroom by. So the question they're only asking you, so there are two properties in the market. One is the subject property, which is the one you are actually your main property. And there's one is a comparable, the one you will be comparing to make some adjustment. Okay, so they're saying, so the way I always start with the T-chart. One side I write subject property. Okay. On the other side, I write comparable. When I do my questions, I always do CP and SP. Okay, you don't want to spend too much time writing the whole word. I only did it for you here. Okay, so when you start these type of question, do the T-chart, write SP for subject, CP for comparable, and then just jot it down what is given to you. So for subject property, we have a 4 bedroom, and we have a 5 bathroom. And then they said the comparable has a 3 bedrooms, we have a 3 bedroom here, and bathrooms we have. So they're saying if the market value of the bedroom is 3200 and the market value of the bathroom is 5700, what adjustments we will make. Okay, this comparable will be adjusted to what. So the way you do adjustment, you look at it which side has a less. Okay, so now you have a 4 bedroom, this way you have a 3 bedroom. So in order to balance out, basically you're balancing out. So this one has a 4, this one is a 3. Instead of adding a bedroom, you just do the adjustments. That will be 3200 plus, because 3 bedroom plus you're making an adjustment for $3200, and so the positive number will go to the comparable because they're asking you for the comparable. They're not asking you for the subject. So always read this word carefully. Okay. Now, so we have 5 bedroom, a 5 bathroom here. We have a 4 bathroom. So now, are we adding or subtracting? Yes, we are adding. Adding what? What is the value for the bathroom? Which is 5700. Okay, that's all you need to do. That means this right answer is number 2. Sometimes be careful. Okay, they will say plus 5700 and plus 3200. That will be one of the choice. Even though we are using the right numbers, please make sure they adjust for bedroom and a bathroom by. They have the word bedroom first, then a bathroom. So be careful. Look at all the choices. Okay. So now bedroom comes first. So we adjusted bedroom with 3200. We adjusted bathroom for 5700. So this is the right answer. That's it. I hope that makes sense. So we are going to do the next question on. So this is our question number 2. This question is a little bit different. Okay, so always please be careful when you read the question. What are they asking you? Okay, so now let's read the question. You have a partially complete appraisal report that you need to fill in. The subject property has a 4 bedroom and 4 bathroom. I already wrote these down. 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom. The house next door is similar in all respects except for the number of bedrooms and the bathrooms. The comparable sold for 221,000 and has a 3 bedroom and 3 bathrooms. So we have 3 bedroom here, 3 bathrooms here. If the market value of the bedroom is 4,000 and the market value of the bathroom is 5,700, the adjusted sale price for this comparable is. So they're asking what is the actual sale price. So what we are going to do, they said it's sold for 221. So we'll take that 221,000. Now let's make the adjustment like what we need to do. So this is 3-bedroom, that's 4-bedroom. The subject is 4-bedroom, comparable is a 3-bedroom. So that means we are adding 1,000 for the bedroom. Okay. And then the market value for the bathrooms is 5,700. So we are adding 5,700 for the bathroom. Okay. What if so? There were 2 bathrooms here. Then you're subtracting 5,700. You just want to balance things out. Okay. So just want to put it back there. It was 4. Okay. Since they're asking you comparable, so we are dealing with the comparable side. So now comparable was sold for 221, and now I'm going to add back my 4,000 plus 5,700. You're going to add all together up. So here my calculator says 221. And that is 230 right here. 230,700. That's our answer. And that's what you're supposed to do. I hope these questions make sense to you. Please, if you need help with any math questions, please put them in the comment. And I will definitely be doing more questions related to the bedroom adjustment, the pricing, and all that later on. So stay tuned. Always, you can subscribe. I always post one video every day. Thank you so much.